What's up, brothers and sisters? It's your bro Ani. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below. With that, let's hit the intro.
I live inside my own world of make-believe.
The OG subscribers would have watched my previous vlogs of the Interceptor 650's exhaust installation. If you haven't yet, link to that video is in the description below. Check it out, guys. And today I'm riding the same Interceptor 650 with a loud exhaust. I'm gonna give you a walk around, a ride review and a flybys, so whatever is possible, and we'll try to add the stock exhaust flyby too, so that you can have a comparison of both, right? And guys, please don't mistake this bike for the Interceptor 650. This is the GT Continental 650, right? Just wanted to make it clear. Bike swap. Okay, so let's try the other one. GT for you. Nice. Now it's time to go. Let's ride. Oh my god, this thing is so heavy. This was definitely heavier than the Continental. Mirror check. Okay. I'll try that. Let's ride. So as earlier I was telling you that he got quite a few accessories, so one of which is this, the windshield, and then he has got these highway mirrors which are absolutely brilliant. I have a real good view of from here, and it doesn't vibrate. Oh yes, it doesn't vibrate. Let's go. Being a fairly new bike, I'm not going to push it much, but still, yeah, let's do a 5,000, RPM ride. that you can cruise a lot on this, not on the highway, I mean not on the higher speeds, but it is comfortable at quite 120s, 140s, but above that it is a little, hesitant. But whereas the 20 was like a lot smoother and a lot better. Yeah, that is what happens when being a bike crosses you, you feel like a kid. Not bad. Bikes are loud. All three bikes are pretty loud now. Woo! So if you have watched my previous vlog, you would have, seen this bike in it. So it was fairly stock, and it still hasn't got the registration number. It's still running on the TC, that is temporary certificate number. And now the mods, right? For the mods, this is from Royal Enfield. I'm not sure what do you call it as. It might be a wind deflector or cowl or whatever they will call it as. So that's changed. We've got the oil sump guard, that's over there, that's one, right? And then he has these highway mirrors, which I was talking to you about during the ride. And these again are the brand new Red Rooster exhausts. I kind of like this exhaust. I mean, it's a lot better, and I haven't heard any other exhausts that are these sweet. Not sure if it is on neutral. Yes, it is. Right, let's fire it up.